April 14, 2023. Universal Orlando. Fanny pack theft caught on camera. What follows? Epic Not My Stroller blame game. $69 in stolen merch. Bodycam exposes every lie. Loss prevention spots woman stuffing fanny pack and stroller, walks out. Confronted, she hands toy decoy, then surrenders pouch. I'm not playing games, come to the office.
This is ridiculous. You guys just take me back to the what's next so I can get my money back, bro. That's all. We're gonna go back into the office. I'm not going in the office though, sir. Hey, what do we gotta go sit in the office for? I don't know how long you can sit in the office. I gotta go. I gotta start catching everything, bro. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to disrespect you. What's up with this? Hold on. You hear me, bro? I can't go in the office though, bro. I can't go in the office. It's best for you to come to this office. I can't go in the office. Dude, listen. My lady don't need, I gotta at least let my lady know I'm gonna get in the office. I gotta at least let me. Okay, sir. Sir, you gotta at least let my lady know that I'm in the office. You have a phone number? You at least call her. My phone's in my stroller. All I got is my paper. Okay. She's everything I paid. So where's she at? She was at the same store I was at.
So listen, go in there, let them get in paperwork. If not, then you're gonna have to come with me, and that's something we don't want to do. All right?
What paperwork do we gotta go through? How long paperwork can I come in? This could be great, but you think
like I said, it was supposed to be just a conversation, but I had to. I don't want to do that. Just listen to me. Listen to me. I understand you're not mad at me. I understand you're very upset right now. Okay? We're gonna be real here. I'm not playing games. I need the stuff that is not paid for. You're gonna come to this office. Listen to me. I said, let me speak. We're gonna have a conversation. I don't want to get involved up. Okay? I want to keep this between you and me. All right? Just listen to me. Have a seat, please. Have a seat. Sorry.
Just gotta ask you some questions.
Yeah. Business card?
No,
Miranda? Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you say maybe it's against you in court. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
Miranda read. Kids grab stuff. Not my stroller. Sister yelling. Every family member pushed it. Store empty when she entered? Camera says otherwise. Classic deflection.
Just explain to me what happened while I was here, what happened.
The kids grabbed stuff. My little niece wasn't there. I did grab the couch, but my sister was yelling. So as I'm walking out the couch right here, I walked out. It fell, I guess one of the kids grabbed it. But I got told her, I only have 2 boys. This is not my kid's stroller. My boys walk. My son is old enough. So all the stuff in here, I don't know who paid for what. I can't say that because I sometimes I didn't walk in with my sister. So I can't say, but I guess the way she's like, it's tough here.
But you were pushing this stroller that had everything in it?
Everybody was pushing it. I was pushing it, he was pushing it, she was pushing it. As y'all looking at the camp in the park, all of us was pushing the stroller.
Okay. I just grabbed the stroller.
I had grabbed it because my sister had her baby. So I had to grab it, and the guy had that first. And then I had grabbed it from him.
Gotcha. So you were pushing it out of the store when they stopped you?
Yeah, we pushed it. I was pushing around. I was already out the store. I was around when she stopped me.
So you were already outside the store when they stopped you?
Yeah, when she stopped me outside the store.
And then, so you don't know how the
That's
stuff
what I'm
got in
telling
there?
her. I can't say all that because, like I say, every kid's in here.
Right.
What the kids ran up and did, like I said, they walked in the store. I wasn't there. I cannot tell you. It was not my kids.
Do you know where were you at when this stroller was in the store?
What do you mean?
Like where were you? You said you weren't with them. You don't know what the kids were grabbing and stuff.
That's what I say. All of them was running around. But you could tell when you could look in the store. When I was in the store, the thing was empty. Wasn't none in there. It was empty. The kids were running around the store. When we was looking for my other little niece, everybody, all of them got inside in there.
So you don't know how the stuff got in there?
That's what I'm saying. No, I didn't put it in there.
Okay. Right. I'm not saying you did. I'm just asking if you know how I got in there.
No, like I told her, them was my sister's kids. Them was her girls. The little girl grabbed it. When he did, the little girl grabbed her thing back from her. Them was all the kids stuff.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. All right. Thank you. Can you walk over here for me real quick? All right. Unfortunately, they're pressing charges against you, so you're going to be placed under arrest today, okay?
What they press charges because I had all that stuff?
For shoplifting, yeah.
Well, she said that's her stuff. The child, the kid, and mother.
It's unfortunately it's out of my hand.
I'll just give you one more. Are these yours or are these like custom ones? Okay, I've got 3 more sits in my car. I'll give you one of them.
Person in charge presses charges. Handcuffs click. Who's got my kids? $500 bond? Until Monday? Panic sets in as officer explains petty theft over $100.
Is there anything in the bag right here?
Yeah, my wallet and stuff. And then that stuff, she didn't get my ID. I need my ID back too.
Yep. Where are you from?
Chicago. My flight leave today.
Okay. Who's got your kids? You got kids?
Yeah.
Who's got your kids right now?
They still out there.
With who?
My sister.
With your sister? Your sister's an adult?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all the belongings you had was in there?
Yes.
Okay. The
How
officer
far is
explained-
y'all place the police station?
The police station? So you're going to the jail. You're going to the county jail. You're not going to the police station. You're being arrested for petty theft of $100 or more.
Yeah, all this stuff. It wasn't even my stuff. So they can't watch the camera to see I wasn't pushing the stroller all through the park?
I don't know if they already did or not.
And then just like some regular stuff, but no.
But they're loss prevention and they're undercover detectives. I saw you, so.
So I have to see until Monday? In the jail for Monday?
It depends on when they have a first appearance with the
You'll be
judge.
able to bond out.
They might have one late tonight or early tomorrow, it depends.
You'll be able to bond, what's the bond, 500?
Yeah, so I got it.
You don't have to have your ID.
I do, yeah.
Just you got all the whites.
I need some cards.
Hey, so for your phone. Father already did it.
It's off.
It's off good. Is it dead or is it just off?
4774 Alpha.
So it depends how soon they have first appearance. If they have one late tonight or early tomorrow, then you can bond out right away. If not, then you will have
It
to.
was my flight leave today?
Yep.
So $100 to a bondsman. $100 to a bondsman.
We'll go that way.
Well, my cards are there.
Yeah, it goes around.
Okay, you take hang around, right?
You know my sister knows? She was over here waiting.
All right, right? Security, right?
It's cut through here. Oh, I'm sorry.
How far is y'all county jail? Far?
I'm sorry?
How far is the county jail?
It's about 10 minutes.
5-10 minute drive. It's not far.
All I see is stuff.
You ever been arrested before?
Yeah.
For what?
Chicago.
For what?
Aggravated battery to a peace officer.
Okay. To a popo? What have you been doing, girl?
It's been years ago.
Years ago when you were young and dumb?
Yeah.
All right. How old are you now?
23. I mean
20.
32.
32. That's what I said. 23?
So I get a phone call.
Yeah, they'll take care of all that at jail once you get put in. And since you already did all the paperwork for you, we're literally going to show up. We're going to get you out of the car. We're going to go up to the desk. They're going to check you in, and then you'll probably only be there for about 15 minutes in handcuffs. We'll have you taken out. Come right here to the wheel. It's the car for me.
How long will I be
Stay
here
there.
for a long time? Catch my flight?
I don't know.
I don't think you'd be able to get out. Like I said, I don't know their schedule for the hearings, so it depends how soon you can get a hearing with the judge for first appearance.
So y'all let that window on top of
The what?
I'm causing smoke in y'all car.
What, the windows down? Yeah, I got you. Cool, that's easy.
Ain't gonna be able to breathe like that.
Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Look inside. There's nothing in there, right? All right. All right. Go ahead. Step in. I'll put the windows down as soon as they get you back over there. All right? They're not comfortable, all right?
I know that. I see right here.
Like I said, it's a quick ride, so we'll be there. Don't worry about getting too comfortable because we'll be there shortly.
For trespass.
You got the Jarrett? Did you got the Jarrett? Oh, okay.
Is it on desk?
Yeah, it's on the desk.
All right, okay.
All right. I already filled it out. All you gotta do is sign it. Cool. Appreciate it. You got some questions?
I just want to call my sister so she can reschedule my flight or something.
Yeah. You'll be able to get on your phone I don't exactly know how long, but your process is going to be a lot faster than a normal process. And the jail, because I don't work inside the jail, I can't tell you exactly what they're going to say and going to do. But they'll be taking care of you here shortly.
So you think I'll be able to bar down and catch my flight? My flight 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't want to say yes or no. I think so.
Okay.
I don't want to tell you yes if it's a no, so. So what happened? You were pushing the stroller and...
Yes, and it wasn't even married, it wasn't even my kid's stuff. And they could look on the cameras and see I wasn't pushing it all day.
But the problem is if you had the stroller and you were pushing it past the point of sale, it's like driving a stroller.
Pushing stolen stroller, driving stolen car. Total haul, $669.65. Universal prosecutes. Straight to county jail. No theme park exit for her.
Cool.
Like if kids did it, excuses crack you up. Subscribe next. Call federal gov. Scooter taser fail. Comment, worst family defense ever?